Hey, Tech Guide Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're going to look at how to disable mentions on Pinterest. So if you've got like a blog or a business and people keep mentioning you in their own content, there is a way to turn off mentions, and I'm going to show you how to do that. So from your home feed, you need to click on the top right-hand corner and then scroll down to settings. From there, we're going to go over onto the left-hand side and we're going to have a look at social permissions. From there, you should instantly see the section that says mentions. So you can choose who can mention you. So you can choose anyone on Pinterest, only people who you follow, or you can turn it off completely. So if you want to turn it off completely, you just need to click on that section, click on save, and then nobody will be able to mention you in their content. I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe, and I will see you soon.